Question: data on a floppy disk is recorded in rings called answer tracks. Next question: which memory chip is faster? Answer: SRAM. Next question: a byte is a collection of answer 8-bit. Next question: which is an example of magnetic storage media? Answer: zip disk or floppy disk. Next question: the advantage of DRAM is? Answer: it is cheaper than SRAM. Next question: a collection of 8 binary digits 0 and 1 in a string format is known as answer byte. Next question: floppy disks are organized as answer track and sectors. Next question: what is the called the permanent memory built into your computer? Answer: ROM. Question: information stored in RAM need to be answer refresh periodically. Next question: how many bits make a half byte? Answer: 4. Next question: hard drive is used to store answer permanent data. Next question: storage that retain its data after the power is turned off is referred to as answer non-volatile storage. Next question: which is the smallest measure of storage? Answer: byte. Next question: the hard drive is normally located. Answer: inside the system base unit. Next question: dynamic RAM consumes dash power and dash than static RAM. Answer: less lower. Next question: a byte can represent any number between 0 to 255. Question: the term bit is short for answer binary digit. Next question: the primary device that a computer uses to store information is answer hard drive. Next question: which is not true about RAM? Answer: RAM is the same as hard disk storage. Next question: a bit refers to answer the smallest unit of digital information. Next question: a hard disk devices are considered dash storage. Answer: non-volatile storage. Next question: virtual memory allocate hard disk space of supplement the immediate functional memory capacity of answer RAM. Next question: which is another name for an group of 4 bits? Answer: nibble. Next question: the thick rigid metal plotters that are capable of retrieving information at a high rate of speed are known as answer hard disks.